They say that third time's the charm. I kept getting this off center. Hope I don't have it off center this time. Anyway, this is the piece that I showed you in my last short shot of rough that I spent the time to remove all the excess, the garbage off of it. If you remember, there was a vein in here. The vein's right here. There was a deep pocket of that same material, which is kind of like a quartz. There. My next step on this is going to be study it some, figure out where my largest single bead is in it, and then figure out how to cut it without having waste material or minimal waste material come off with that first cut. I will continue to cut it with the same logic, each time always looking for the largest bead in the leftover rock, and I'll cut it all the way down to where it's just a bunch of bead blanks, which you will see. Anyway, let me make sure I got this thing centered this time, and then I'll start explaining how I'm going to decide where my first bead's going to be cut.